Hey everyone, welcome back to Beyond the Box. Let's unbox the second box from our last shipment. All right, let's get into it. Now, I definitely recommend using a little bigger box cutter for this job. Unfortunately, I cannot find where I put mine, so I think it's officially time to replace it. This was one order that came in 2 separate boxes from Alibaba, and if you missed the first unboxing from this shipment, check out the video in the link. All right, here we go. This is the second set of squishy sensory toys. Now, this box definitely isn't packed as neatly as the first box, but everything seems to be intact, and honestly, the product quality looks pretty good. However, we have another little oopsie. I ordered a different color. Now, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button so you can stay tuned for all the unboxings coming up because we have more goodies on the way. Now, I was pretty content with the little mix-up from the first unboxing, but y'all, this color, this is definitely not what I wanted. However, I have to admit, this color might actually be beneficial for someone else. So I'm going to make the best of it. But I'm definitely going to have to pay closer attention to this vendor if I decide to order from them again. Okay, y'all, you already saw the first box of the swirl colors. This is another box with 200 pieces, and the rainbow colors are a set of 100 pieces. So other than receiving the wrong colors, I would say this wasn't a bad experience with my second order from Alibaba. Now, keep in mind, guys, there are many different vendors on Alibaba, so some experiences will probably be great, while others, well, you might have a few surprises. See this deep colored rainbow? Yeah, this is not the same color I ordered, but hey, I'm going to make the best of it and follow up with the vendor to see what happened. Overall, Alibaba has some great products and some great vendors. The key is finding the right vendor for what you're looking for. All right, y'all, that's it for this unboxing. Stay tuned because we've got plenty more unboxing goodies coming your way. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I'll see y'all in the next box.